Hello everybody, today's May 8th, 2012. Got summer fast approaching here as I'm heading out of Livermore. Already seeing 94, so crazy weather this year. Kind of had no winter, and then spring was sort of like a winter. Now spring's turning to summer pretty quickly. So strange weather this year. Those of you who follow the mysterious animal deaths, the birds and the fish, I've put a couple articles up recently on my dyingbirdsanfish.blogspot.com site that I have. I'll put a link below. There's something like 1,200 dolphins have been dead on the coast of Peru, and then like 600 or 700 pelicans. So just some crazy, odd, massive animal deaths happening on the coast of Peru. So you can check those articles out if you're interested. I have some pretty big news coming out of China, and I'll have that article on Moneybags World. The link will be in the more info section. The first quarter of 2012, imports through Hong Kong into mainland China were up 587%. Pretty incredible. It was 135 metric tons that was imported. Last year, India, who has the strongest gold consumer demand, imported 933 tons, and China was at 770, I believe, for 2011. Well, there's a lot of analysts that believe China is going to pass up India as having the strongest gold demand, so we'll have to look for that. So gold hit its peak of 1923 back in September last year, and it's down, fell like 30 bucks today. It's down around 1,600. We're having huge physical demand coming out of China. You can go into any Chinese bank, from what I've read, and purchase little gold pieces or silver. They've been encouraging their citizens for years now to buy gold and silver, unlike the United States. Unlike mainstream media who's telling you they're in bubbles and you want to stay clear of the precious metals. This to me is just a buying opportunity. Gold is 1,600. I've been telling people, I had one guy telling me, well, if people listen to me up in the 40s and bought silver, they're big losers. Well, this is not a, buy and sell type information. This is a long-term strategy channel. I've been recommending to get into silver since it was 12, 13, and I think gold was 800, 900 back then. I mean, we're way up from when I was starting to tell people you need to get some gold and silver, and nothing's really changed. We've got huge physical demand. And this other article, Royal Canadian Mint revenue reaches $3.2 billion. I mean, their bullion and refinery sales were up almost 50% from 2010, all of 2011. And so, the physical demand for the precious metals just continues. And, if you're listening to the wrong people, you just think they're in a bubble, and you'll be paying a lot higher prices when gold's over 2,000 and silver's over 100. So it's going to come. I believe that wholeheartedly, and it's just a matter of time. I'm going to continue to slowly accumulate at all prices like I've been doing for years, and I know a lot of you are doing. So anyway, 2 new articles over there, a couple articles on the dying fish and birds. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.